Alright, here is another fan. This is a Windmere 12-inch oscillating table fan, model DF-12. This is, I would say, probably an early 90s, perhaps late 80s model. The other two Windmere fans I have is the late 90s ones. You can tell by they use the older badge. It has the chrome medallion in the center. I got this from a sale about a year ago now, so it's one of my latest ones I have. It's in pretty good condition. Still has a shiny chrome to it. Plastic is in good shape. So yeah, go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. There's the front. This is the side. There's the back. The bottom. It's the informations. There's the plug. It's non-polarized plug. That's why I'm suspecting that it's probably from early 90s or even late 80s. Alright, go ahead and turn this on low. Blowing a decent amount of air. Alright, go to medium. I believe these older Windmere models used a different motor, different type of motor, or maybe it was just different design. I'm not really quite sure, but the motor on this one looks different from the later Windmere models. And high. Pretty powerful, and it's nice and quiet. Turn on the oscillator. And turn it off. Spin down a bit short. I just recently lubricated this. Look, I guess I'm gonna have to lubricate it again because apparently the bearings are a little dry. Anyway, there you have it. 12-inch oscillating table fan, Windmere, model DF-12.